Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing, or in this case, unpackaging the RiaTech 3.5 mm 2 male to 1 female splitter. As you can see, the packaging is pretty minimalistic. All we have to work with is a sticker on it, which has some manufacturing and customer care information. The back simply is a clear plastic, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is some reading material in the form of a warranty card. It has information about the brand as well, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up is the product itself. This is a 3.5 mm splitter cable. It has a female 3.5 mm jack on one end and two male 3.5 mm jacks on the other. This cable is basically used for systems where, let's say, you have headphones with one 3.5 mm jack, and the system or source that you want to connect it to has a separate line in for microphone and separate line out for the speakers. The male side of the 3.5 mm jacks are the TRRS kind, and the headphone and microphone sides have been labeled nicely using these symbols. There is also a golden finish on each of the jacks. The other end is also gold plated, the female end that is, and that's about it in terms of this unboxing. So this was the unboxing of the RiaTech 3.5 mm 2 male to 1 female splitter. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.